Hey guys, with another question today, we are going to solve one more question from section A of part 1 of CMA USA course. Let's read the question. On July 15, a company entered into a 3-month agreement. Okay, 3-month agreement to rent a machine the company needed to complete a special order. There was some special order, so to complete that, a company has entered into an agreement for 3 months to rent a machine. Next, the machine would be delivered on August 1st. On August 1st, fine, and rental payments are due on the first day of each rental month. Next, the effect this event would have on the company's July 31 financial statements would be 2. So, understand, the company gets into agreement on July 15th. Okay, it gets into agreement on July 15th, and you are going to get the machine delivered on August 1st. Fine, and the due date means the liability to pay the rent is on first day of each rental month. So this rental month will start from August 1st to November 1st, and now they are asking, on July 31st, is it going to affect our financial statements? Is it going to affect? Let's see. Will there be any changes in assets on July 31st? The straight away answer is no. Will there be any liability to pay them on July 31st? No. But will there be any liability to pay them on August 1st? Yes, because they have told the rental payments are due on the first day of each rental month. So on the first day itself we need to pay, and that's why on August 1st there will be a liability to pay, but on July 31st there will be no liability. And about income, there is no relation of income in this context. That's why even this is no. And so the answer is option A. We need not see the other 3 options at all. Okay guys, so this is about this question. If you have any queries, just comment it down, and if you like the way I have solved this answer, just give it a thumbs up, and if there are any ways to improve, please let me know.